Hello and welcome to Mint. This is Zara Khan and we bring to you another edition of the Corporate Roundup. This week was buzzing with corporate activity and we have with us our corporate reporters to take you through the week's events. So the week started with the government appointing an arbitrator for in its dispute with RIL, and we have with us Promit Mukharjee, who's going to tell us if this is a positive at all for the company. Hi Promit, thank you for joining us.
Hi. After dilly-dallying for almost 3 to 4 months, government has finally appointed an arbitrator in the gas pricing issue, which was initiated by the Reliance Industries. Now, all the lawyers and the legal fraternity says that this is very positive for Reliance because this will actually help the company and the government to actually take forward the entire gas pricing issue. But the problem is this arbitration will usually take around 6 to 8 months, but the government has fixed the deadline as September 30 to fix the gas price. Therefore, analysts are saying that this was actually a lot of ill-conceived move by the RIL, because after even the government requested RIL to withdraw the notice, the RIL didn't agree, and now they are stuck in this entire process of arbitration. So although this is a step forward in the terms of the arbitration case, but it will not really help in the gas pricing issue at all.
Okay, great. Thank you, Promit. So from one blue chip to another, this week we saw another big result coming in from TCS, and we have with us Beryl, who's going to take us through the results. Hey, Beryl.
Hi. So TCS, as usual, performed above and industry estimates. It basically the growth was picked up due to the 5.7% volume growth, which was broad-based. This was despite one-time cost in the quarter, as well as rupee appreciation and wage hikes. So they did extremely well. Last week, even the number 2 IT player Infosys, when it reported its results, it also outperformed analyst estimates. But they're still awaiting the entry of Vishal Sikka, the new MD, to the company. TCS would be bullish even going forward. It expects to still beat NASSCOM guidance as it usually has, and it is focusing more on the digital space going forward. So that's something we look out for.
Great. Thank you, Beryl, for joining us. Now, finally, to wrap it up, we have with us Ruchira Singh, who's going to take us through the action that happened in the metal and mining space. Hi, Ruchira.
Hi. So this week was buzzing with activity. We had POSCO, the South Korean steel maker, sign an MOU with Mesco Steel, which is a small mid-sized Indian company. Now, according to their plans, if talks fructify, then POSCO is going to dismantle a plant in Korea and bring it to Odisha and set it up in Mesco Steel's existing plot of land. So this is going to be really very significant because POSCO is going to bring in very superior technology called Finex, which actually cuts the cost of steel production down in a very big way. It's environment friendly. Also, it uses iron ore fines, which are cheaper. It uses thermal coal instead of coking coal, which has to be imported in India. So this is really very significant, but we need to watch this company and see how talks actually proceed. POSCO also has announced the biggest FDI in India. Its original plan was to set up a steel plant in Odisha, which has still not taken off the ground. So this might be a little success story for it if talks do materialize. So this week we also had a sale. The Steel Authority of India talking about its offer for sale, which is coming up. This is significant because the government might offload a 5% stake in the company and actually earn as much as 2,000 crore rupees. This will also be significant for the stock markets because it's going to test the investor appetite at a time when the markets have been rallying. So this is how we concluded the week for metals.
Thank you, Ruchira, for joining us. With that, it's a wrap. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.